Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will teach you how to change logo and site icon. Hover to Appearance and click on Customize. Then scroll down and click on Site Identity. It is called Site Icon. Then select the site icon you want to change and click on Select and Publish. Here you see it is updated. Now go back and come to Header section and then click on Logo. Change the logo you want to change. And click on Select. Now you can customize it as your own. You can customize its size, its alignment and position too. If you click on left, the logo will be shifted to left. That's it. Now click on Publish. And visit your website. Here you see the logo is updated successfully. Download the free WordPress quick guide for businesses. The link is in the description below. If you found the video helpful, smash the like button. See you in the next video. Till then, keep learning and keep exploring. Thank you.